Do you all ever just dream of being able to live a laptop lifestyle where you don't have to stress and struggle over money, where you don't have to worry about how many groceries you can buy or bring into your house? You don't have to worry about starving because you can't afford to buy food. Well, that was my story. That's what happened to me. I struggled my entire life. It all started where I couldn't afford to even get an apartment for myself. I was just looking for any little jobs that I can do to be able to bring some income into my home. There was nothing out there. Like, I rather be miserable at home doing nothing at all than going to a 9 to 5 grind and slaving away for $5 or $6 an hour, because that's exactly what I was making. And I was running around from bars to bars trying to live off whatever tips I can make in my job. I had to deal with an annoying ass boss who all he did was bitch and complain, and I'm the one who was building his dream. And when I stop and I think about it, I ask myself, what the fuck were you doing? Like, honestly, I have to be real. What were you doing, Stephanie? Is that the kind of life you want to live for the rest of your life? Having to tell my kids that I can't see them tonight because I need to go and work at the bar to make whatever little tips I can make to bring an income into my home. We don't need to go through that, guys. This is like the new times, and things are getting so expensive. The struggles are getting even worse than what they were back then. I mean, you can't buy a loaf of bread for $2 or $3 anymore. You know what I mean? And if you're able to have something that is going to give you some additional income in a month where you'll be able to just live a comfortable life at home, I'd rather do that. I'd really rather do that than stress my life out over a job and not be able to spend quality time with my children. I'm done with that shit. Like, straight done with that shit. If you all are done with that shit, comment done with that shit down below, and I will share the nuggets with you. I don't play around in this business. I don't lie. I'm an honest person, and I tell you exactly how it is, and I show you exactly how to make a substantial amount of income every single month where you never have to struggle again in your life. I'm here to help. Guys, the link is in the bio. If you want to reach out to me directly, you can put your email in my link and send me a message through email. You can message me here on TikTok. You can message me in Facebook. I'm there to help. So if you'd like a little bit of my help, I'm there. And feel free to click the link in my bio. Talk soon.